Hello everybody, this is going to be a short video on how to access your ebook from Smog Tech Institute. So when we enroll you into a class and we're going to send you an email, that email is going to contain the ebook information, plus it'll contain your class login information to the GoToMeeting website. But for now, I'm just going to talk about the ebook. So what you want to do with the ebook portion is you want to take the invite link, you want to copy it, and you want to paste it into your web browser. And then click enter, and it'll take you to the Pearson website that hosts the ebook. And you're going to get a page that shows up the ebook stating that it's the diesel fuel after treatment book. That was where the link sends you to this particular ebook, and you're going to see two buttons here, ready to buy, which you're not going to do that because you already have a redemption code. So you're going to want to click the redemption code. And when you click redemption code, it's going to ask you to create an account. Right? So you have to create an account with Pearson. If you already have an account with Pearson, then you would put in your username and password, but since you have to create one, if you're new to Pearson, you'll have to create an account. Once you create the account and you sign in, you're now going to be able to redeem that code. And how you do that is just take your code from the email that we sent you, copy the whole thing, right click, hit copy, highlight it, right click, click copy, bring it back up and just paste into the first box, and that will fill the code in all the way through. Hit submit. At that point, it says your code has been approved. Thank you. Continue. And now you have access to your ebook. And all the books in your books, whatever books you might have, will show up in this portal. So you go into the ebook itself, open the text, and it's just like any other book. And there you go. You can make it bigger. You can change a lot of the characteristics. You can go to the table of contents and you can search by page or by chapter, right? You can scroll through the pages down below one at a time. You can close this back up to get more of a value. You can search different parts of the book for different topics of the book. You can add notes. You can create flashcards. And then down here you can change your display settings. So if you want to zoom it, you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller, right? You can have show hotspots and highlights. So if you want to highlight something, you just highlight something, just copy it, and that's it. Just, you know, hover over it, left click, drag whatever you want to copy or highlight, and then it'll show you how you want to highlight it. So you can highlight it yellow, blue, or red. You can make a note there, a flashcard out of it, you copy it, you know, whatever you want to do with it. So it's pretty flexible. I think very user-friendly. It's not too complicated. Some of the other ebook readers are way more complicated. This one's simple. Anyways, there it is, and that's your entire book. So I wanted to reiterate that if you're having any problems with your ebook, please contact me from Smog Tech Institute website. You can do that by going www.smogtechinstitute.com. And anywhere from that site, you will be able to contact us by clicking the green Contact Us button that shows up on every single page over here on the right. When you click on that, just fill out the form, let me know what the problem is. This message goes directly to me, and I'll do what I can to resolve it for you as quickly as possible. Thank you.